Mami wani biana, ni full legacy wani biana full legacy Me man understand what legacy be so. I know let's say one of some of these guys. Are you set camera in the video your boyfriend or your video your husband? You know they show any response for phone. You go carry your camera, you go use that they go look your phone. You not go phone order you the video ram. Which kind of sense with that? Every time they see many of the photos, you say you provoke me, you invest me. Say again, I must say, are those people they find rich? When are going to frame man when are they proud of now? When are going to frame boy when are they proud of now? Oh, go on, boy. You're afraid of that. Oh, you're proud of me. So you want me phone like that? He set a camera. You want me to me? You want to friend me? If before you want me phone, all my phone go out. Oh, go on, boy. I swear. Why you are take a physique? You give my love way, my love you, babes. Make like stop all this rubbish until they provoke me. Why you gonna carry camera in the face of boyfriend? Now we have a video on a boyfriend, a video on a man, everything like that. The man will carry for the or you go to your show concern like say maybe not best the video around. Not even well known like this or make you see peg the girl. Why I carry this man like king? Like some I never seen man before. Why not they carry all these men like king? Now they carry on as queen, but I carry that as king. Now fast by sir. As to be the friend boy, you go be proud of you. As you they proud of you, go they proud of you. You they grace in every aspect of life. I they present. So you gonna friend me. You say no proud of me. Now no one can carry you as king. Ogon boy. Ogon boy. Me am where as a king. Who me as a queen? Who's you? Babes, please stop all this rubbish. Still they provoke me. If they provoke me, when they see my fellow women, they're going to flash their boyfriend. Up and down, they carry their boyfriend like king. The man going to do ganyan. Oh, who movie wade o honi ware? Oh, my phone that boyfriend eh. My phone that we young. The boyfriend whatsoever. Then they go ganyan. Eh, my face no MK camera no we camera na na. Olowe we lo, olowe ki say, why they 24 BC? Yeah, walk and arrested. Oh, you're not wrong, but so marriage go dey hungry you. Even if you are gonna say pretend they did. Now not happy. We will not read. We see they will know. Marriage go dey hungry you. Relationship go dey hungry you to enter. Thank God him and I fucking make my you. But my go word. And I have in my day all your relationship with him. All these men where they see so. If they notice you say they use that as fucking mate, like you never ready to say settle that. Once they enter your life like this, where's go finish for their mats? Where's go finish for their mats? They're going to talk everyone on head, everything. They're going to cook without Maggie with their mats. Make sure they win your hearts. So that means you concentrate on them. Once you concentrate on them like this, their character will start. That stupid behavior will start. But if they notice that you not take them serious, they will not make you take them serious. Why am I going to see my fellow woman? Any day on Facebook, you go to Keka. Any day on Facebook, you go to Keka. Where? Like one idiot one day, we all do somewhere. This boy and this guy, they all come like this. The guy ought to sit down. That's what the boy ought to give aside. If you see this babe, if you see shape, if you see breast, even if now hook up girl, now you bring and call that public. At least still show concern, so now you bring and call, now you carry and come. Like if they tell that man, they come toast to, it not concern you. You all give side to the girl. What a shame. I know I say that kind of fear get to me she go. I call it shame. Man will not make you proud. My sister not better. Man when they see say to find pass you. When you know say be fine babe, not data. All this is not called for. You want to showcase your man, but the man not they showcase you. The man not they show any sign say he like you. Your own fellow women go they judge you for their mind. Say the man when be friend don't like you, don't love you. Must the whole world know say man don't love you. wa my camera muda opia. Oh, I feel for. Oh, I'm out that phone. Where wa video wa go wa go. Then where you go chiva? You go lele hero, a beauty lele, a celebrity, a beer. I when I go to a matter, then I will find boys in and rock my toto. Don't be surprised, na ye. Any of them book here. When joy, commanding for my like a Okolokanye malake na ogota. Mani for malake nenia. Yes. All women like her. Those less of 350 big body. They love her. Every woman love her. All this first time boy, now you know your boyfriend you must say, you know by roto talk. You always satisfy person well. But them matter. He has satisfy my say. Oko we gamu we can to go we look by bedroom. We are ganya. Did they provoke me anytime they see many of the live on Facebook? My phone wa video a boyfriend way. Oh, gag more hanging in my like you way. Oh, I concentrate in your back. Hold on. No, if you are good dog, or no way with hello, we kiss you. The time still repeat because it still provoke me. A woman writing here, me bossy. I will character one you now. Me like a what job there you are you? Why a queen working? Why a queen relationship in it? Why I'm not back again like gala? Then you work here no mind like me. What okay? What's so special about you? Eh? Oh, why settle down as a fine boy and we are making a most what a cara. Yara for boy a cara. Okay, we may have see Dario Japa Udera. Ma possible. Oh, if we only for while will at least I may meet for one. Oh, there are many you are with my cold boy. No problem, here. Too far to no problem. So far, only one day, okay. You are Lavani. Hey! You only up my yam, you quack bone. No one when me I be there, you bombo. I don't even know Karami. Yeah, if you want to go place here, again, going a be. Yeah, yore, no mamma be a good there. While younger, never why my like of one my love. If you do one mother romantic. If we believe when when we go upon me, we go. That moon guy, only we go like a then you are for you what they see, my we go what they see. Here the body with my inner blood. Here you guessing young Boruo, here you guessing young cool. If you are dog, watch you. Wow, you want go home time. Man, it has to do developing for the past 10 years now. Imagine, okay, again, they tell her love. I get in our love in a mafia. Yeah, nang. You want to be a while home back. Oh, a boy, for instance, again. Or 1 2 things. Yeah, 1 year now, not by Nigeria, I used to look away. There is soup. Relationship is over. Receive a present, man. Do I receive it? Yeah, or more respect. Receive a present. What by Nigeria receive a call? Boy, it's over. You 1 year again, but again, they love no one to make it one of the worry like. Again, now, oh, yeah, the banana like imagine. Except you want the body, but they only watch just. He only watched it. He had been 1 week, 2 weeks ago. He had a very backbone. They cannot come in now. Very backbone. Where to be wrong. In a plans now. I don't get plans now. So go stay with one man for 1 week, 2 weeks. Then I say I'm stressed to me like I waste my time. You never married me for us. 3-4 days is enough to go visit you. Get that. Yes. Now you want to just make proud. Not be you want to just be proud. They Chris, they month. They okay again. Mommy go but there, fanboy, not zero, total. Nonsense. And you think I'm provoke and see my fellow woman, you carry phone, the video the boyfriend. Eh? The boy you feel of concern like so not even sign of like let's say hello. I will not be part I will wait another for where I want to concentrate in you. They are not just one and you have video. Your show where my boy to most rubbish. My sister, be proud of yourself, eh? Be proud of yourself. Value yourself. If you value yourself, that man will value you. Value yourself. So this way that they see. So if you don't value yourself, they don't go value you. You find enough for you. I'm a beautiful woman. So while you're dark woman, consider me as a beautiful woman. My beautiful, I will fuck you. My beautiful self, I will fuck you. After all, you can go for 7 boys. So that makes me a beautiful woman again. That makes me a beautiful man again. Because that my head was more than I love baby. You can go to you can say you want any person like I want to that toast. So I will be a cannon in your motor away. In your ship, here yet sing a muja there. Here you lift me here. Here I will go to here. A busunya will have let marry. I have got back like my man. Ghana to man of Emma. I can toast him. I argue. I'm lega. That one of my annoying man. I worry direct. That makes me a beautiful, my great woman. The relations no be afraid in it. Who you are proud. Who you are proud. You are a bastard. When you are a king, you need a queen. You set the camera down with the friend. Hey, madam. Zwo, erewe magba. Pretending. I make a video. Erewe magba ukiza. I was